So welcome to my channel. So in this channel we are going to learn about some high school concept. Today our concept is integers, which is chapter number 1 of the 7th standard. So before knowing about the integers, we must know some numbers that might be a natural numbers, which is denoted as n, and whole numbers which are denoted as w, and n is nothing but natural numbers which are 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole numbers are nothing but including 0. We will including 0, 1, 2, 3. These are nothing but up to infinite. We call it as a whole numbers. Now, what are integers? Integers are nothing but the positive. Integers are nothing but the positive numbers, negative numbers, and also the including 0. They are nothing but integers, and integers are usually denoted as z. Z is nothing but a integer. So example for an integer is z is equal to plus 2 plus 3, which are positive numbers, 0 which is a whole number, and also negative numbers. These are all nothing but the integer, that is minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, anything. They are nothing but integers. So before learning this, we will see some properties. They are nothing but closure property. Closure property is nothing but, closure under addition. Closure under addition. See, what are these closure property? See, the sum of any two integers will always be an integer. For example, sum of any two integers, it might be a negative integer or it might be a positive integer. The answer will be always be an integer. For example, if a is an integer and b is an integer, so the sum of a plus b is also a integer. Example, minus 4 plus 6. The answer will be 2. It is also an integer. So that we will call it as closure under addition. The sum of any two integers will always be a integer. This is an example for.